Length world, kids teaching kids, learning all new stuff. Length world, bam! Hey guys, my name is Lane with Lane's World Kids Teaching Kids. We're gonna be making a swing today. Also, just some advice. Your parents, you're gonna need some parents to help you with this. Okay, we will need materials. Okay, 1 piece wood for swing seat, 2 piece wood for swing seat support, 1/2 inch rope, drill and drill bits, screws, straight edge, pencil, saw wood cutter, and the thing but not least, the tape measure. Okay, now we're going to be measuring our seat at 20 inches. Now you line it up with your line. Whoops. Okay, now we're going to be doing the same thing again. We'll see if you can do this on your own this time. Okay? Okay, we're going to press down. Okay, I'm going to go like this with my finger. See if it matches. Next, we mark our cut line with our straight edge. Now we cut it. Please do not make your baby try this at home. Remember to measure twice and cut once. If you're using thin 1/2 inch boards like I am, measure out another 20 inch board to cut. Next, we need to cut our support pieces. Cut your supports at the same width as the seat. Cut 2. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Line up your seat boards and clamp them together. Line up your supports straight to a seat edge about 2 inches. Drill in 2 screws through seat onto support, both 1 inch off center. We are now going to drill our rope holes with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Measure each hole 3/4 inch from front and back and 1 inch from the side of the support piece. Yay. Here comes another piece of fun. Okay, spin day 2. Now we're going to sand it so that we don't get what is called splinters. Protect our seat from the rain by using the sealant. Okay, gotta dip in slowly. Okay, if you see little drips, this is what my dad told me. Just spin it. Then go like this, back and forth, like my Megan said. It's not right. Okay. Okay, now our sealant is dry. Now we're going to put 4 pieces of rope in these holes. You see where my finger is? Okay. And then my dad says we're going to be hanging it over that branch over there. You see where my finger is? Right there. See you guys? slap a thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to tap a comment, click the bell so you can get lots of notifications from me, and I hope you have fun. Have fun, stay curious, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys.